I am your host Ananya, and in today's episode, we are delving into some fundamental concepts that are the building blocks of probability and statistics. So, if you are ready to sharpen your data science skills, let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about conditional probability. Imagine this, you're trying to predict the outcome of an event, but you already know that another event has occurred. That's where conditional probability comes into play. I like to think of it as the probability of event A happening given that event B has already happened. We can express this as probability of A by B. To calculate it, we use the formula probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. It's a powerful concept used in various data science applications. Now, let's move on to independent events. Have you ever wondered if the outcome of one event affects the outcome of another? Well, when two events are independent, they do not influence each other. Think of rolling a dice. The result of one roll does not change the outcome of the next one. These are the kinds of events we call independent. Now that we have discussed independent events, let's explore mutually exclusive events. Picture this scenario. You roll a dice and you are hoping for either a 3 or a 5. Can both of these outcomes happen simultaneously? No, they cannot. Mutually exclusive events are those that cannot occur together. They are like different paths that events can take, and only one is chosen. In data science, we often work with sets, and understanding set operations is crucial. We have three key operations, the first one being union, which combines elements from both sets A and B. Intersection A intersection B gives us the elements that are common to both sets A and B, and negation A, when we negate a set, we get all the elements that are not present in set A. In our future episodes, we have an exciting lineup of topics waiting for you. We'll explore distributions, various types of statistical tests, and even dive into the mysteries of the central limit theorem. Whether you are a seasoned data scientist or just starting your journey, there's something here for everyone. So stay tuned for more enlightening discussions and insights. Thank you for joining me in this episode. If you found this episode helpful, please do not forget to subscribe, rate, and leave a review. Your feedback helps us improve and reach more data science enthusiasts. Until next time, keep crunching those numbers and unlocking the secrets within data.